Hey there, snack enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore creative and nutritious ways to snack for a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary inspiration with 5 incredibly delicious and nutrient-packed snacks that will satisfy your taste buds while fueling your body. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these mouth-watering recipes. Section 1. Superfood Smoothie Bowl. We all love a good smoothie, but why not elevate your snacking game with a beautiful and colorful superfood smoothie bowl? Here's how you can make it. 1. Start by blending together frozen berries, a ripe banana, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk until smooth and creamy. 2. Next, pour your vibrant mixture into a bowl and top it off with an array of nutritious toppings, such as sliced fruits, chia seeds, granola, and a drizzle of honey for that touch of natural sweetness. 3. Feel free to get creative with your toppings, as they not only boost the flavor, but also provide added texture and a variety of essential nutrients. Section 2. Quinoa Stuffed Bell Peppers. Looking for a delicious and filling savory snack? Our quinoa stuffed bell peppers are sure to wow you and your taste buds. 1. Start by cutting off the tops of bell peppers and removing the seeds and membranes. 2. Rinse and cook quinoa according to package instructions, then mix it with sautéed onions, garlic, chopped tomatoes, black beans, and a sprinkle of spices. 3. Fill each bell pepper with the quinoa mixture, making sure to press it down to ensure maximum goodness in every bite. 4. Bake the stuffed peppers in the oven at 350 degree F, 175 degrees C, for about 20-25 minutes, or until the peppers are tender and perfectly cooked. Enjoy this wholesome and flavorful snack that is quick to make and packed with essential nutrients. Section 3. Sweet potato chips with avocado dip. Who doesn't love a satisfying crunch? But let's put away those unhealthy store-bought potato chips and opt for a more nutrient-dense alternative, homemade sweet potato chips. 1. Start by slicing a sweet potato into thin and even rounds. Pro tip: a mandolin slicer can help achieve the perfect chip thickness. 2. Lay out the slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and lightly drizzle them with olive oil. Season with a pinch of salt and any preferred optional seasonings, such as paprika or garlic powder. 3. Bake the sliced sweet potatoes at 400 degree F, 200 degrees C, for approximately 20-25 minutes, or until they turn golden brown and crispy. 4. For an extra touch of indulgence, pair your homemade sweet potato chips with a creamy avocado dip. Simply blend together avocado, Greek yogurt, lime juice, garlic, and a sprinkle of salt until smooth. Dip away. Section 4. Energy-boosting bliss balls. Need a bite-sized snack that gives you a burst of energy throughout the day? Look no further than our energy-boosting bliss balls. 1. In a food processor, combine dates, nuts, such as almonds or cashews, oats, chia seeds, and a drizzle of natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. 2. Blend the ingredients until they form a sticky mixture that holds together. 3. Roll the mixture into small, bite-sized balls and place them in the fridge to firm up. 4. These little powerhouses are nutrient-dense, providing you with a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and natural sugars, making them the ideal snack when you're on the go or in need of a quick pick-me-up. Section 5. Veggie Sushi Rolls. Sushi lovers, rejoice! We're taking sushi to a whole new level with our nutritious and veggie-filled sushi rolls. 1. Start by preparing sushi rice according to the package instructions and letting it cool. 2. Lay out a sheet of nori seaweed on a bamboo mat or clean dishcloth. 3. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice on top of the nori, leaving a small space at the top edge. 4. Add a variety of your favorite veggies, such as cucumber, avocado, carrots, and bell peppers, along the middle of the rice. 5. Carefully roll the nori and rice tightly, using the bamboo mat or dishcloth to help guide the process. 6. Slice the rolled sushi into bite-sized pieces and serve them with soy sauce or a delicious homemade dipping sauce. These veggie sushi rolls are not only visually appealing, but also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. And there you have it, our top 5 creative and nutritious snacks for a healthy lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed this snack-filled adventure and are ready to make these gorgeous recipes to fuel your body with nourishing goodness. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which snack you're most excited to try. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy snack ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking!